Hi, Les again on a tour of the CL Classics workshops. I've now brought you into our paint ovens. This is where you are going to watch on camera a car being sprayed. This is a little Healey Sprite that we've totally renovated and is now at the stage of actually top coating the vehicle. So when it's been top coated, we're going to have cameras here so you can see exactly what goes on and how a car is painted. So enjoy the video and I will talk to you afterwards. Thanks again for watching. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching the paint spraying of an Austin-Healey Sprite. You can see now what the work we have to do and what goes on. I'm not going back in the oven to film this because the oven is now on bake and the car will now sit in there for the next 40 minutes, or sorry, 35 minutes roughly, to be baked off, and then the car will be ready to unmask and start to go up to the valet polishing shop that you've seen before, and obviously the fit up shop to have all its chrome and everything else put back on. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Thanks for watching. This is Les saying goodbye.